buying the wrong paddleboard means an inflatable that can't hold you up, or a flagship you don't need. I researched the market and found the 8 best paddleboards from entry-level to flagship. Every budget is covered. Hit subscribe, check the links below, and let's get into it. Tier 1. Budget paddleboards. $150 to $200. Product number 1. Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, 10 feet 6 inch, for $199.99. The Rock is the paddleboard every other budget board gets compared to. Key specs: 10 feet 6 inches by 33 inches, 350-pound capacity, non-slip comfort deck, 3 detachable fins, full kit with adjustable paddle, hand pump, leash, and backpack. Reviewers consistently report rock-solid stability for first-time paddlers and durability that holds up across multiple seasons. Here's what they don't tell you. The 350-pound limit drops to roughly 250 usable pounds once gear loads the deck. The included paddle is aluminum and flexes under hard strokes, and the single-action hand pump takes around 10 minutes for first inflation. Best for first-time paddlers on calm lakes. Not for heavier loads or anyone wanting an electric pump. The benchmark every budget board gets measured against. Product number 2. SereneLife Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, 10 feet 6 inches, for $186.99. Same tier, different angle. SereneLife trades a sliver of width for setup speed. Key specs: 10 feet 6 inches by 32 inches, 350-pound capacity, marine-grade material, non-slip ethylene vinyl acetate deck pad, double-action hand pump, 3 fins, paddle, leash, and carry bag. That double-action pump cuts inflation time roughly in half versus single-action pumps in the budget tier. The reality check. The 32-inch width is 1 inch narrower than the Rock, and that inch matters during first stand-ups. The ethylene vinyl acetate pad peels at the edges after a season according to buyers, and the aluminum paddle is shorter than what ships with the Rock. Best for paddlers prioritizing faster setup. Not for nervous beginners needing the widest platform. Faster pump, narrower board. The SereneLife trade. Tier 2. Mid-range paddleboards. $200 to $300. Product number 3. Niphean Extra Large 11 feet Inflatable Paddleboard, for $229.99. Step up to Tier 2, and the first thing that changes is how many people fit. Key specs: 11 feet by 33 inch by 6 inch. 500+ pound capacity. Stable track fin for tracking. Non-slip deck. Kit with adjustable paddle, leash, pump, and backpack. 500-pound capacity fits 2 adults or adult plus kid and dog without the nose plowing. Here's the catch. At 11 feet, the board is noticeably heavier than the Tier 1 Rock. The stable track fin doesn't detach, so the board doesn't pack flat for storage, and the backpack straps lack padding for longer hauls. Best for families and multi-rider households. Not for solo paddlers needing the lightest board. Same brand as Tier 1, more length, more capacity, real family upgrade. Product number 4. Skatinger, 11 feet 6 inches by 35 inch super wide paddleboard. $279.99. 3 extra inches of width. That's what separates the Skatinger from every board so far. Key specs: 11 feet 6 inches by 35 inches by 6 inches. 450-pound capacity. 35-inch ultra-wide platform. 10-inch US-style fin. 1,680D backpack, shoulder strap, 3 carry handles, complete accessory kit. That extra width is the difference between confident stand-ups and nervous wobbles. buyer feedback confirms it. The downsides. The 35-inch width sacrifices glide speed in open water. The 10-inch fin is non-detachable, so the board doesn't pack flat. And the single-fin setup delivers less tracking precision than the multi-fin Tier 4 options ahead. Best for nervous first-time paddlers wanting maximum stability. Not for anyone prioritizing speed or open water touring. Pound for pound, the stability champion of this lineup, and the width is exactly why. Halfway through, if this is saving you from a bad paddleboard hit, like and drop your skill level in the comments. I'll reply with my pick. Tier 3 Premium Paddleboards, $350 to $550. Product number 5, Retrospec Weekender Plus, 10 feet for $399.99. Tier 3 is where established outdoor brands enter, starting with the Retrospec Weekender Plus. Key specs: 10 feet length, double-layer PVC with AirGlide Fusion construction, 3-piece adjustable aluminum paddle, 3 fins, hand pump, kayak conversion kit, phone case. Double-layer PVC is a genuine rigidity upgrade. The deck doesn't flex under heavier loads the way single-layer budget boards do. Reviewers highlight the mounted phone case as a daily use detail no budget board offers. The trade-offs. At 10 feet, it's shorter than both Tier 2 boards. The aluminum paddle bends under aggressive strokes per buyers. Best for paddlers wanting brand reputation and double-layer durability. Not for anyone needing 11 feet of length. The first board in this lineup that feels built by a real outdoor brand. Product number 6, Pelican Flow 106 Hardshell Stand-Up Paddleboard for $514.99. This is the only board in this lineup that doesn't inflate. Key specs: 10.2 feet roto-molded hardshell, bottom fin, non-slip cushioned deck pad, bottle holder, bungee cargo storage, multiple molded carry handles. Hardshell means zero inflation, zero deflation, zero pump time. Ready the moment it touches water. Buyers report it tracks straighter than inflatables of similar length thanks to the rigid hull. Here's where it falls short. It doesn't fit in a car trunk. Roof rack or truck required, garage storage is mandatory off-season, and the roto-molded hull is heavier to solo carry than a deflated inflatable. Best for lakeside cabin owners with roof racks or garage storage. Not for apartment dwellers or solo car toppers. Inflation-free convenience at the cost of every other convenience. Tier 4 Luxury Paddleboards, $600 to $1,100. Product number 7, WAVESTORM 9 feet 6 inch stand-up paddleboard kayak hybrid soft top for $664.99. The WAVESTORM is a soft top hybrid in a category all its own, and the first non-inflatable since the Pelican. Key specs: 9 feet 6 inch length, expanded polystyrene foam core, 3 stringers, water barrier skin top deck, soft top hybrid construction, included paddle. Soft top construction means falls don't hurt the way they do on hardshell or stiff inflatables, a real advantage for kids learning balance. Reviewers report the foam core tracks better than budget inflatables once up to speed. What you need to know. At 9 feet 6 inches, this is the shortest board here. Foam absorbs water through any small ding, and like the Pelican, it won't fit in a car trunk. Best for families teaching kids to paddle and beach use where falls happen. Not for open water tracking or storage limited buyers. A real soft top in a sea of inflatables. Different category, real trade-offs. Product number 8, BOTE HD Aero Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, MAGNEPod 11 feet 6 inch for $1,099. This is the most accomplished paddleboard in this lineup, Key specs: 11 feet 6-inch length, aeroboat construction with reinforced rails, MAGNEPod duo and rack system compatibility, wide balanced platform, premium adjustable paddle, travel backpack, leash, hand pump. MAGNEPod is the differentiator no other board here offers. Magnetic mounts, secure rod holders, coolers, and drinkware without bungee straps or drilling. Reviewers report aeroboat construction delivers the closest to hardshell rigidity of any inflatable here. The honest truth: this is the flagship aimed at buyers committed to the full boat ecosystem. MAGNEPod accessories sell separately and stack up quickly, and aeroboat justifies the position only if those accessories get used. Best for serious paddlers who'll add fishing or cooler accessories. Not for budget buyers or pure paddlers. Flagship build, flagship ecosystem. The boat benchmark for what an inflatable can be. All right, the winners. Best value, Rock. The category benchmark with proven durability and the most comprehensive accessory kit at the budget end. Best for families, Niphean XL. 500-pound capacity, fits 2 adults or adult plus kid and dog comfortably on a single board. Best for stability, Skater. 35-inch ultra-wide platform delivers stand-up confidence no narrower board in this video matches. Best premium pick, BOTE HD Aero. Flagship aeroboat construction and the MAGNEPod accessory ecosystem no other board here offers. Skip this, WAVESTORM. Shortest 9 feet 6-inch length. Soft top tech is older than every inflatable here, and more capable boards exist in every other tier. My personal pick, Skater. 35-inch width is genuine stand-up confidence for nervous beginners. 450-pound capacity fits real-world loads. And Tier 2 is the sweet spot before diminishing returns kick in. All 8 links are in the description, organized by tier. If this saved you from buying the wrong paddleboard, smash subscribe and drop a comment with which one you're going with or what water you paddle. I reply to every comment. See you next time.